The mother bird woke up one beautiful morning and was very happy to see her chicks around her. She would start her usual routine by bringing food for them. Suddenly, she spotted a hunter nearby among the trees, searching for prey. She felt worried, but still reassured her chicks. The hunter was scanning left and right, confident that a valuable catch in the forest would be his. In a fleeting glance, his eye fell upon the mother bird's nest, where she stood firmly to protect her chicks from the hunter's gun, even if it meant losing her life. It's always the nature of a mother. The hunter skillfully aimed his gun at the bird with precision, intending to pull the trigger, but hesitated when he saw the baby birds gathered around their mother. The hunter faltered upon seeing the mother bird with her chicks and went off to search for prey elsewhere. The bird understood what had happened, so she flew and landed on the hunter's gun to thank him for not harming her with her chicks. The bird flew off in search of food for her chicks, and the hunter went on his way.